So I want to derive the double angle formulas, and I've reminded you of the addition formula for sine here. So the first double angle formula we'll look at is the sine of 2x. And we can use the addition formula because we can rewrite the 2x here as x plus x, and now I'm going to make all of these angles here x to match the formula up here. Okay? When we do that, we have sine x cosine x plus sine x cosine x, and when we add those together, because they're the same term, we get 2 times sine x cosine x, and that's the first double angle formula. Okay, let's do a cosine double angle formula. Okay, so I've reminded you of the addition formula for cosine and some implications from the Pythagorean identity cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. So let's first consider cosine of 2x, and we'll begin by rewriting it as cosine of x plus x as before, and then we'll replace all the angles on the right hand side up here with x because we've got x plus x now. So we end up with cosine x minus sine x sine x. Cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared of x, minus sine x times sine x is sine squared of x. And that's our first double angle formula for cosine. There are two others, however, because I can now take, for example, replace cosine squared with 1 minus sine squared, and I'll get another double angle formula for cosine of 2x. So cosine squared of x is 1 minus sine squared of x minus the second sine squared of x, which means that cosine of 2x, when I combine like terms, is 1 minus 2 sine squared of x. So that's the second double angle formula for cosine. And one more. I could then replace, I can go back to this one and replace sine squared with 1 minus cosine squared. So I'm going to copy down my cosine squared from the original, and then I'll replace my purple one here with what's purple up here, so I have to subtract the whole thing. Sorry. Distribute your negative, so you end up with cosine of 2x equals, you've got cosine squared of x plus cosine squared of x, that's a positive 2 cosine squared of x, and then negative 1. So you've got 2 cosine squared x minus 1, and that's your second, or your third double angle formula for cosine. So there's 3 different ones. And these last two here are very useful for looking at the power lowering formulas. The double angle formula for tangent is based off of the addition formula, because you can write 2x as x plus x, and then you can apply this formula replacing all the angles with x. So you have tangent x plus another tangent of x on top over 1 minus tangent of x times another tangent of x. On top, tangent plus tangent is 2 tangent of x, and on bottom, tangent of x times tangent of x is tangent squared of x. So that's the double angle formula for tangent. And those are your double angle formulas derived from your addition formulas. The cosine double angle formula also depended on different forms of the identity cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1.